I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a movie or TV show from your Netflix watch history. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to netflix.com, and then sign into your Netflix account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of this screen to open a drop-down menu, and then click Account in this menu. Your Netflix account screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Profiles in the menu on the left side of this screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Profile Settings section and then click the specific Netflix profile where you want to remove a movie or TV show from your watch history. The Manage Profiles and Preferences screen opens. Step 5. Navigate to the Preferences section and then click Viewing Activity. The Netflix viewing history for that account is shown. Step 6. Scroll down to the movie or TV show that you want to remove from your Netflix watch history, and then click the stop icon associated with that content. A message replaces that title, letting you know that within 24 hours, this content will no longer appear in your Netflix account as a title that you've watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. That content will be hidden going forward unless you rewatch it. And if you want to hide an entire series, all you need to do is click Hide Series. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.